What is going on, Bread Gang? How's it going? I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. If you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for clicking on the video. Hit the subscribe button, join the biggest, the greatest, the baddest group of people ever to assemble to get this bread. That's what we like to do. We like to get this bread. If you're not new to the channel, hit the like button. Thanks for the support. It means so much to me. We are doing something big on the channel today, or going to attempt to start it. We are going to start doing the wheel lights. Obviously it looks like we're a little bit into it already, but don't mind that. I am going to switch over and change clothes here in a second, but we are going to get started on this. It's probably going to end up being a 2, maybe even a 3-part video, just because we've kind of dived into this a little bit, and it's proven to be a job. Nothing we do here seems to be easy. So I'm going to run over and change clothes real quick, and we're going to get straight into it. Again, thanks for the support, guys. Next truck meet's going to be in the next couple of months. Stay tuned for details on that, but let's just dive into the video. They're going to hate me for this one. We've gotten a lot of bread today. Everybody get kicked out of Bojangles. I'm wearing all black like I do at work. I've picked the worst outfit to wear in 90-degree Florida weather, but we got music playing over there, so I can't go over there. But we're getting the back wheels up. We're going to try and get one on today, maybe start and just try and get them on. I think in the next video we'll do the wiring, but the first video, that's what we got going on today. Okay, so we got the wheel off. What we're gonna try and do, so obviously, if you guys know, your rings have your LEDs that sit on them, and then you've got your L brackets that go on the dust shield. We're just kind of mocking one up at the moment to kind of see how it's all gonna fit together before we dive into it. The hardest part is just knowing that this is not gonna be a 5-minute job. Once you get kind of past that, and once you get the first one done and you can kind of get your process done, the other ones won't go as bad. So currently we're mocking up the first one, trying to see how long we want the rings to be, where we're going to put the screws for those, and we're kind of mocking up, trying to figure out now whether we can put the L brackets on here without having to take all of this crap off. That's what we're doing currently. So I think back here it has these little indentions. I think we're gonna mount them to the indentions instead of on this, just because that gives us a little more space behind there. And we're gonna do 1, 2, and then 3 and 4. So you can see I have a little more space on this side, and as it comes around, it comes a little bit closer. So I think sticking on the outers, we're gonna be fine. But let's go get these cut up and start putting them together and see how it goes. All right, first step, making progress. That's what I like to see. Ring is complete. We've got it test fitted onto that. So we're gonna fit fine on there. I guess the next step is getting it mounted. That's gonna be the fun part. I mean, we've got a little bit of room. We've got everything lined up right. So we just gotta get it mounted up now. Okay, so one L bracket is on, screws are on. So how we're gonna do the first one, we're gonna mount this on, then we'll drill the rest of the holes. And once we have the one mounted up, we'll go through and we'll drill the other ones in. Side number 1, proving to be very complicated. If you've never done this before on your own, it's not fun, I promise that. So we're gonna run and get something to eat, but that won't take but a couple seconds on YouTube time. Quick update for you. So we've got 2 of our points on. Obviously it's gonna be a little more sturdy once we get the other ones on, but I mean, that's about it. Obviously the first one's always gonna be the hardest. We're definitely not gonna finish today. Hell, we might only even get one done today, but it's coming along. This kind of proves eventually the wheel lights will go on. I'm not just talking out of my ass about it. Eventually the wheel lights will go on. All right guys, he is putting in the last screw on the right rear of the truck. This side is done. This side is officially done. I did not think we'd get this far today. It did take us half the freaking day to do it, but yes, I did help him. He did not do all the work, even though he's sitting here putting in the last bolt. It's starting to rain, so we're gonna finish this up. But one side is done. It is done. It's I really didn't think we'd get this far, to be honest. This will be part one of God knows how many, to be honest. So thank you, Dad, behind the camera. The rain's coming in here in a little bit, so but stay tuned. I've got all kinds of great stuff coming for the truck. I know I was talking about headlight stuff. I do have more headlight stuff. I have something in the truck. Here, look. I'm gonna show you guys right here. Look, I got something from Lighting Trends in the truck right now that's ready to go on. So that's coming up soon. So stay tuned for all the great stuff. The wheel lights are gonna get done eventually, but again, thanks for stopping by. If y'all like the videos, hit the like, hit the subscribe button, join the Bread Gang. Thank you so much to everybody. But other than that, that's about it for today. Let's get this bread.